This luxury simulation bird toys offers your cat toy interact with. Made from premium quality materials that are cat-friendly and non-toxic. Mimics hunting natural prey for cats and kitten. Handheld model. You can hold the cat stick to interact with your cat. Suction cup type. You can fix it on the floor or wall, and the cat will play with it. You can separate the stick from the base, hold it and play with the cat. Simulation bird funny cat stick. The new UFO sucker teasing stick is on the shelves. You can buy it for your cat. Click the link in the description.